Can ChatGPT build a Twitter clone with only 5 minutes on the clock and using only 5 prompts? Let's see. Build me a Twitter homepage using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We got a 5 minutes timer. Let's go. The one thing we want to make sure is we can at least make a tweet. So it looks like it's doing like a left section, a middle section. Okay. It's like it's doing like a form tweet. Oh, for the tweeting your thoughts. Oh, wow. This is actually really good. All right. It looks like complete shit. Create the CSS for us. We have used 2 prompts already. We can only use 3 more prompts. All right. Come on. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Can we do it? So let's copy. Command A, Command V. Wow. This is looking really good, you guys. Tweet your thoughts. Hello, blah, blah, tweet. Oh, no, not working. Okay, I need to add the JavaScript now. Add JS to add a tweet. Got 2 more prompts left. We were at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Can we do it? Why is it creating the HTML now? We don't want that. We only want the JavaScript. 30 seconds. I'm gonna copy this section, the main section right here. Can we do it? Can we do it? 19 seconds. Let's now add our JavaScript. Add our JavaScript. Okay, script.js. Boom. Done. 7 seconds left on the clock. Hello, tweet. Oh, we can do it. Let's go. 5 minutes, 3 prompts, 5 minutes. We crushed this. Let me know down below what else you want me to build with ChatGPT.